Top 10 cute gifting ideas for this Valentine, and here is a list. Number 1 on the list this Valentine is a new pair of frame. Love at first sight? Let him experience or let him see your true love with a new pair of glasses which you're going to gift him. So number 2 on the list is perfumes. Perfumes are like a new dress. It will simply make him look marvelous. Number 3 is a very interesting gifting idea this season, a hand towel. Don't underestimate the power of the hand towel. It's an easy tool to distract him from the stress of his day and to get him back to a good mood. The 4th one and the best one, make him feel like a Superman. Gift him a very good underwear. Let that be a boxer or a trunk. Number 5, the ultimate symbol of the borrowed love, a hoodie. Gift him now and you can steal it from him later. And trust me, once you wear that, it will feel like just a warm hug from him. The 6th option is the smallest but the cutest of all, good pair of socks. Socks and chocolates, both the same. The darker it gets, better it is. Option 7, 8, 9, I'm going to keep it simple. 7 can be a good couple t-shirt. Option 8 can be a good watch. Option 9 can be a good accessory, maybe a chain or a bracelet. The last but not the least, the best of all is just you.